I was out here cleaning for our next trip and like doing the vacuum cleaning, like vacuum everything. I started looking at these covers for the Dinette, and I realized they zip off. So I'm gonna try to throw these in the washing machine. I have a front loader. They're really heavy duty. This is a 2000 model Bigfoot, and I'm gonna try it. Hopefully they don't come apart, and I'll let you guys know how they turn out. Okay, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see if they're still in one piece. I think they look pretty good. Holy moly, like nothing actually. No, this is vinyl. I am very happy with this. So that's one. Ah, it smells good. This is two. So now, do I put them in the dryer? Or do I just, I think I'm just gonna let them air dry. I think that's the best solution. Since that went so good, I'm going for it. I'm doing the bottoms too, because these are really the worst. They're not torn up, they're just dirty. Like I said, this is a 2000 model. We bought it. It was pretty good shape, but we go places. So let's get this off. This should be fun getting these back on. Oh my gosh. The foam is really good shape. So if you wanted to, you could always put like harder foam in or softer, but this is good. I might just flip it over. That's about it. I wanted to show you guys these. I don't know if you can tell, but these are the bottoms. This one's definitely way dirtier. And then this is the back that I just washed. So there's definitely a difference. Day 2, I decided I'm going to spray with the Scotch Guard. Now, I thought that the Scotch Guard came with actual called fabric protectant, but when I looked on their website, it seems like everything is for waterproof. But I'm still going to spray it because once you wash any type of fabric or you clean your carpet or your upholstery, it takes out the kind of stain blocking that's built into it. So if I put these back on just newly washed, they're just going to get dirty pretty quick. So I'm going to try this. And bonus, if I spill my wine on it, hopefully it won't soak in. I'm ready to try to get the foam back inside these. I just watched that hyperlapse back, and that made it look way easier. This was hard to put back in, so I'm going to suggest to you, this is not going to be a yearly thing. I think you're going to want to do this once in a great while. Try to keep your upholstery clean, but I'm happy with these results. They fit back in real nice, but it's a struggle getting it back in. All back in. We are ready to camp. This was worth it.